In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save cars in GTA 5. So when you're in the story mode, if you want to save cars, there's one way to do it, which is if you had a house or a property, you can go to that property and just park your car inside of like the house garage, and you can be rest assured this car will be saved. And there's another ways as well. So other ways is if you want to just buy a garage. So if you go here on the map, let me just leave this place and open the map. Here you will find like plenty of garages. For example, let me see here if I can filter through garages only. I think I can just buy garage through my phone. So if you pull out your phone here, let me just go here and go to the internet and go money and services. And then you go to the Maze Bank here. Not this one. Let's go back here. Or Dynasty, view properties. Okay, I guess you're gonna have to just go there manually to like buy the garage. There's plenty of garages here on the map. So once you go there, you're gonna have to buy the garage, and you will have like room to save more cars if you want. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.